Frase Enterprise SEO and Marketing App. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise struggles with content strategy and SEO at scale, Frase Enterprise SEO and Marketing App promises to save time while boosting search performance, but does it deliver for large teams? On the positive side, Frase leverages artificial intelligence to streamline content research, writing, and optimization. Marketing teams can generate topic briefs, analyze competitors, and create SEO-friendly content faster. Its AI-powered content editor suggests keyword integration, heading structure, and readability improvements, helping enterprises maintain high-quality content at scale. Frase integrates with Google Docs and other tools, allowing content and SEO teams to collaborate efficiently. Enterprises benefit from faster content production, improved on-page SEO, and consistent alignment with search intent. However, there are drawbacks. Frase works best for on-page SEO and content optimization, but does not replace full-scale technical SEO or link-building strategies. Teams may need training to fully leverage content suggestions, and enterprise pricing can become significant with multiple users. Some users find generated recommendations require human oversight to maintain brand voice and accuracy. Most people get this wrong. They assume generated content alone drives results. The surprising truth is that Frase is most effective when combined with editorial oversight, strategic SEO planning, and a consistent content calendar. Without this, suggestions may produce optimized but generic content that underperforms in search rankings. In conclusion, Frase Enterprise SEO and Marketing App is a powerful solution for enterprises looking to streamline content creation and on-page SEO. Its AI-driven insights, research capabilities, and collaboration tools make it ideal for large teams. With careful strategy and editorial oversight, Frase can significantly accelerate content production while improving search performance.